first time. Doesn't it like hurt your soul to watch the dish soap slide off a sponge? I need to invent an invention that makes it so sponges friggin' stand up straight. Okay, no more cans going in. Oh, that was a lie. There's a little in here. Oh, Stardew Valley, cute. That's so funny you say that because I just pulled out my Nintendo Switch. I have the cutest Nintendo Switch. I got the Animal Crossing version one. Oh, this smells good. Oh, I know what my TikTok business invention will be. I'm gonna make air fresheners out of Ariel Downy. Cause I keep one in my car. I could put them in little tea bag things. Hang them from your window. Although you could just make that yourself theoretically. Hi, Katie. Oh yeah, I grew up an Animal Crossing girly. But I also grew up playing like frickin' GTA with my brother. Like a crazy. DSi, I think mine was blue. I had the original Nintendo Game Boy, and then I had the one that was like clear where you could see all the wires through it. Ooh, yeah, Mortal Kombat. Ooh, look at that dummy. Why are you on? Sorry, girl. Oh, this smells good. Oh yeah, Stella calmed down quickly. Good call, good point, Gabby. I don't even know where she is. Thanks, Naughty. Actually, I'm curious. I was sitting on the couch before this. She usually likes to sit where my butt was prior. Let's see if she's there. Oh, yep. She's sleeping where I was sitting. Oh, Lala. I actually named my cat after the beer. Yeah. Oh my god, and then last weekend I was thrifting and I found a pair of Stella like glass beer glasses. It was fate I got them. I love that your daughter's name is Stella though. I think it's such a pretty name. Hi, Jackie. Yeah, I haven't been on too long. All we've really squeezed in so far is like maybe like 12 cans and some liquids. We're doing laundry now. Ooh, ploppy. The nice thing about you guys being at an angle though is I can do the diamond, the biggest squeezes. You know, Sabrina, I work in cosmetics. I sit in an office for 8 hours a day that just reeks of perfume and smells, so this ain't nothing. And I used to work at Sephora when I was in high school. And these really aren't that strong. It's not like it's bleach. Ooh, that is flattering. Yeah, I actually don't think I've ever gotten a headache from Clean Talk. Like, ever. It's the first time I've heard someone request that. My request is Ariel Downey perfume. Good to know. I'll keep a list. Polly's is bleach. It's bleach powder and it's very mild. Like you can even put your hands like with it and clean, and it's like not really gonna do too much. Okay. Hi, clean with me. Delicious. The red Christmas one, I'm 100% convinced, like I would literally take it to court, that it's Island Paradise Fab repackaged. Since not many people can get Island Paradise since it's only at Family Dollar. Convinced. And then, yes it does. She said, girl, I don't care. Okay, we're squeezing. Hi. That's a good idea. I always like the idea of half powder. Okay, we don't have much powder left going in. If anyone would like to send for some powder. They look like they're about to start Titanicing on me. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, you need to calm down. There you go. This is Ariel on top of Roma. Thank you, Boca. Cute. Thanks, Kelly. Oh. Thank you. We just have a little bit of Roma and Ariel left, and then a lot of dish soap to add. Oh, you're okay, Coley. She said happiness. Hey, City Mama. Good shiny grease. Okay, let's see if we got anything stuck on the bottom. Oh, that just got on my forehead. Thanks, Melanie. I can't. I have $12 big bags of Roma. I have $4 Focus, $4 Ariels, and cans if anyone wants to add. Cans are 3 for $5. I think my hands would only get tired if like I was squeezing big sponges the whole time, but that's why it's nice to have a little variety. Oh, hi, Nat. You're fine. Hi, Nat. Thank you for the gifts. I love when Focus squeezes like that. She'll like squeeze and then stop and then squeeze.